Welcome to our in-depth exploration into the true cost of downtime for businesses. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep. In this video, we'll illuminate the often underestimated expenses associated with downtime and provide you with strategies to optimize productivity and minimize these costly interruptions. We'll provide real-life examples, statistics, and practical tips to help you understand and tackle downtime more effectively. So let's roll up our sleeves and dive in. Did you know that a staggering 82% of companies have experienced some amount of unplanned downtime in the last few years? And on average, those downtimes can last at least 4 hours each. Manufacturers in particular might see up to 800 hours of downtime per year. That's a lot of lost productivity. Now let's talk about the cost per hour of downtime. Back in 2016, the average cost of downtime per hour across all businesses was a staggering $260,000. IT network downtime averages to $300,000 per hour or $5,600 per minute. The automotive industry sees extraordinarily high costs at $22,000 per minute, over $1.3 million per hour. So what contributes to these costs? Well, almost half of all companies that experience downtime, 46% to be exact, aren't able to deliver services to customers as a result. About 37% lose production time on a critical asset, with 29% of companies unable to service specific assets. Factories tend to lose at least 5% of their total productivity due to downtime. So, what are companies doing to cut down unexpected failures of equipment? Unfortunately, about 80% of facilities are unable to accurately calculate their downtime. Less than a quarter of machine operators, 24% to be precise, use predictive analytics, with others using reactive or time-based preventive maintenance instead. However, predictive methods are associated with the lowest percentage of unplanned downtime, 5.42% of all unplanned downtime, compared to the 8.43% of reactive and 7.96% of planned maintenance. To start cutting down equipment downtime, facilities need to start using more precise methods of diagnosing issues with their assets. Predictive analytics and careful maintenance planning can improve equipment uptime, saving your maintenance teams time and money. Now let's talk about what causes downtime. In many cases, it comes down to failing equipment. As of 2018, aging equipment caused about 44% of all unplanned downtime events. Operator error and lack of time were other causes of unplanned downtime at 16% and 15% respectively. So how can you reduce downtime in your facility? Here are some tips. Firstly, train your crew. Since a significant portion of unplanned downtime events result from operator error, taking the time to train and retrain your employees is a step in the right direction when it comes to decreasing downtime. Secondly, analyze your risk. Risk assessment is key to preventing downtime since it allows you to know where your risks are and how to best tackle them. Thirdly, focus on proactive maintenance strategies. Proactive maintenance tactics such as preventive maintenance and predictive analytics both reduce equipment downtime by resolving minor issues before they develop into major breakdown. Fourthly, implement predictive analytics. Predictive maintenance makes use of items like sensors that collect data from your equipment, such as its temperature or vibrations. Fifthly, use your data. As you collect data from equipment sensors, work orders, and the like, make sure you actually put that data to use. Sixthly, streamline current preventive maintenance practices. Often, optimizing current preventive maintenance tasks is what's needed, especially given that 30% of maintenance activities are carried out too frequently. Seventhly, optimize maintenance workflows. Make sure your maintenance workflows in general are as lean as they can reasonably get. Eighthly, organize your MRO inventory. A well-organized MRO inventory is key to your maintenance team's efficiency, so you'll want to make sure it's handled as effectively as possible. Ninthly, back up your systems. Software systems, especially older ones, should be backed up in case your IT network goes down. Tenthly, update old equipment. Many facilities rely heavily on outdated machines and equipment. While that equipment may still function for the most part, it does pose a risk in the event that it breaks down. And lastly, improve communication. Your maintenance and operations crews will only function as well as the lines of communication within their department. In conclusion, downtime can be devastatingly expensive for manufacturers and other industries, which means your efforts to reduce it need to be targeted and effective. A combination of strategies tailor-fit to your facility can help you keep downtime to a minimum and boost reliability. Thank you for watching this video. We've explored the true cost of downtime, its causes, and strategies to minimize it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. for more resources and tools to help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful. Visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, every effort counts when it comes to reducing downtime. Let's make every minute productive.